Good morning. Today is Thursday, October 15, 2020. I'm videoing a second ladyfinger flower, which is going probably to bear fruit because the other one I saw just only 3 days ago was about 1.5 times this one in size. And I took some photos, but overnight the flower dropped off and exposed this. This is probably the, you can call it the baby ladyfinger fruit. And before that, it was a big flower like this, 1.5 times the size of this. And so I know that when a flower drops off, below is the fruit, the ladyfinger fruit. You can see the leaves are really big. It seems some insects love to eat the leaves. They are all moth bitten, indicating that there is no insecticide sprayed onto the plant. Now there's another ladyfinger here, a smaller one. And so this video is a video of the ladyfinger flower, which for the average Singaporean, they will never see in their life. It looks like another one, ladyfinger plant. Though I don't see many yellow flowers. Now the other small flowers are probably the creepers, and these are supposed to be the bitter gourd plants. I shall stop now. This is a video of the ladyfinger flowers and plants.